the one. No. Yeah, this is the setup. This is the setup. What would John Perry do? What would John Perry do? This is it. That's what I'm gonna run with. Yeah, high five me. $18.01 Greene Punch, 2600 Green Charge, Green Start, Microgreen. What is the go-to spring fertilizer within the N-Ext line of products? What's going on, everybody? Chuck here with the channel Dating All Day. You can check out my channel down in the description box below if you would be so kind. That would be awesome. And I hope that every single one of you are having a fantastic day today. Now, temperatures are rising around the globe, which means the 2022 lawn care season is just about to kick off. Now, if you're new to Greene County Fertilizer or using the N-Ext line of products, or you've been using them for a while and you're looking to change up your spring routine, you may be wondering, what is the go-to spring fertilizer within the N-Ext line of products? In my opinion, Green Pop is the perfect spring fertilizer application. With its 16-21-2 analysis, you're getting all the macronutrients that you need to really get your lawn started. If you put some microgreen as well in that, then you're getting all the micronutrients. So you're gonna get a well-balanced fertilizer application to get your lawn season started on the right foot. So for my first application of the spring, and it is still a little bit early for me to apply fertilizer, I may get another frost or freeze before April gets here, so I'm just gonna hold off and just wait to see what the weather does. I know it probably looks like it, but what I'm gonna be applying is the Green Pop along with the full biostim pack, which is the microgreen, the RGS, the humic 12, and the aerate. So I'm gonna be feeding the soil with all the humic and seed kelp that is within the biostim pack. I'm getting all the micros and macronutrients my lawn needs. So even though right now it looks a little bit meh, it will be a poppin' in no time. Now, if you have made it to this point in the video, thank you so much. Please hit that like button if you haven't done it already, because that is what's gonna help get this channel and these videos out to a larger audience. So please just take 1 second, click that little thumbs up button. It would mean a lot to us. Thank you. Now, I do wanna make sure that I've been completely clear. What I said earlier about Green Pop, that was my opinion. It has been said on this channel repeatedly, it's been said by John Perry repeatedly, that the wonderful thing about Greene County Fertilizer, the N-Ext line of products, is that they are so versatile. If you lined up all the folks that use Greene County Fertilizer and the N-Ext line of products, you will get varying answers on what they apply first in the spring. And to prove this point, I've asked the other contributors of this channel to tell you what they like to apply to kick off the lawn season.
And what I like to use to kick off my spring from the Greene County Fertilizers products are these two little beauties right here. Let's take a look.
One of the first things I like to apply in the springtime is aerate. With all the rain here in the Pacific Northwest and the high soil moisture content, aerate helps open that soil up a little bit, get some air down and around the root system, and helps with a nice consistent spring green up, all before it's even necessary to apply fertilizers. Works absolutely fantastic.
So when it comes to my favorite combo of products that I like to use for the springtime on my lawn with the GCF N-Ext products, to start off in the spring, I really like the 1801. That's my fertilizer product to get your N, your K in there, as well as a bunch of other goodies that are going to help your overall plant and soil. And on top of that, some RGS, some aerate, or both. You see the RGS, as we talk about, root growth stimulant. That's going to stimulate roots deeper down into the soil. The aerate product, what that's going to do is it's going to break bonds and make room and oxidation, if you will, for the roots to go down even further. So all three of those together, that is my favorite combo for the springtime. Let's bring it back to Chuck.
So as you can see, there really isn't a right or wrong answer to the question.
Well, you didn't call me.
Go-to. Oh, I'm so sorry, John. Please, share with us.
Well, I guess there's a good reason he didn't ask me to begin with, but for me, it's gonna be pretty simple.
first feeding this year when I get out here with my nitrogen is going to be done with Green Charge 2600 and RGS. It's a great way to start out the season. It's going to get this grass booming in no time.
So as you just saw, there is no right answer to the question, what is the go-to next spring fertilizer? John Perry has said repeatedly that one of the purposes behind the next line of products is to make applying liquid fertilizer both easy and fun. So it's not about what is right and wrong. If you've done a soil test, take those results and pick from any of our products that fit the needs of your situation. Just because I feel Green Pop is the best spring fertilizer from the next line of products doesn't mean it's the best for you and your lawn. As old Jakey has said repeatedly, head over to the website and print the PDF out because we have all the information on all of our products in easy to read formats so you can see what's in the fertilizer and you can make the most informed decision. That is it for this video. I hope you all liked it and found some sort of value out of it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up because it really does help grow this channel. Also, comment down below, what is your go-to spring fertilizer from the next line of products? And I bet you'll see the same thing in the comments that you saw in this video. You will see a bunch of different results. You'll see some similarities as well. But go ahead, comment down below what you like to apply or what you're thinking about applying or adding to your regimen this lawn season. I will see you all the next time I'm on the channel. Have a fantastic rest of your day and God bless.